Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and will share with you the work from home, the hybrid job opportunities as well. And before we move ahead, let me tell you about an interesting product. So we have got the sale on Flipkart, and it's an laptop stand that you can avail. So many of us, including whether it is testers or it is developers, so many of us are using laptops these days, right? And that too for 14 hours, 15 hours. And if you get some stand which can help you, which can assist you to put the laptop in just the front of you, so it would be easier for you. So this is a product which is available on sale, and this sale will end in 10 hours. So I'll be tagging this product in my video. If you are interested, just click on this link and you would get the discount, you would get the offer, and it would be available at this nominal cost. The original price is 1099, so you will get 70% off on this particular product, so you can avail it, and it would be available in 5 days. So this is a laptop stand, and it is gray in color. So you can purchase it for yourself, since we know using laptops is must for us, being into the IT companies, and it takes a lot of hours as well. So you can avail this particular product. Now let me tell you about the job opportunities. So first job opportunity is with respect to Calidec Solutions, which is hiring for business development executive as well as for manual tester. So they are hiring for someone who is having 3+ years of experience. You have to do manual testing, test case creation, execution, should be having good communication skills, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. It's a remote job. Experience requires 1 to 3 years. Then TCS is hiring freshers, so it is planning to conduct NQT, National Qualifier Test, for freshers as well as for candidates in the year of 2025. And the last date to apply would be 14th of December. Okay, and the test date would be on 25th of December. So this is the link. What I'll do is I'll put the link in the comments of the video itself. It would be pinned in the first comment, so that when you see the video, you are able to get all those details along with the links and the email addresses as well. Okay. Then there's a requirement for manual tester, again 0 to 1 year of experience, and they are looking for someone who can join from the Hyderabad location, or they can do hybrid as well. So you can send your resume to this email address, and they are looking for someone who has got basic understanding of SDLC, strong attention to detail with good analytical skills, clear communication and teamwork. So all these details are required. Then there is a requirement for test engineers with experience into cash management or liquidity management. Experience is 2 to 7 years. Location is Mumbai or Chennai. Notice period is immediate to 30 days. So candidates with relevant experience, you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then Gray Chain AI is also hiring. They are hiring for QA. Location is Gurgaon, India. Experience is 6 to 7 years. So anyone who can perform the testing, functional testing, regression and integration testing, and has got experience in agile ceremonies, can conduct API testing. See, API testing is in demand these days. The demand of API is increasing. So if you can add API testing, if you can add REST assured, REST client, so you have all these kind of things in your resume, definitely you would get the calls. So this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then again, there's a requirement for manual software testers. 3 positions are there. Location is Ahmedabad, and these are the details. These are the expectations from them. Grazity Interactive is also hiring for automation testers, and the location is Chandigarh. And you're expected to have strong programming skills in Python or Java. Any one of the languages fine. Hands-on experience with Playwright and Selenium. Expertise in PyTest, TestNG, JUnit, BDD, Cucumber, and you should have good understanding of SDLC, SDLC, Maven, and you can send your CV to this email address. Then there's a requirement in proficient.com, and that is with respect to QA automation engineer, someone who's having Playwright experience also. So you can share your profiles to this particular email address, and the job title is QA automation testing. The location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, and Nagpur. So these are the details of from the Proficient company. Cubix is also hiring for software test engineers. They are looking for someone who can do both manual as well as automation testing, ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and you can apply over here. Then Volkswagen Group is hiring, so I'll share with you the image, but there's a referral email address. Then there's a remote position opening for SDET, manual plus automation, experience 3 plus years, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So you can share your resume to this email address.